Let's get in there! To learn something today. Yes, the letter Z. How do we write the letter Z? Come on, friends, we'll learn together. It's Animarsh writing time. Let's write a letter Z. Don't forget to prepare your pencil and practice sheet. Now we're going to write a letter Z. So let's write the letter Z. To write the letter Z, start from the top and make a line across to the right. Then make a line down to the left. Make one more line across to the right. That's a letter Z. Let's try it again. Across to the right. Down to the left. Across to the right. Great work. Let's mention it together. Remember the things that begin with the letter Z? Come on, say it! Zebra! Zebra dolls! Yay! Now we already know how to write the letter Z! And mention any item beginning with the letter Z. Thank you, Nino, for inviting us to study the letter Z together. See you soon!